Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to bundle sage or lavender to create smudge sticks. You can use fresh sage or you can use dried sage. If you do use fresh sage, you will want to make sure to bundle these as tightly as possible because when they do dry, the leaves will shrink. You will need cotton thread and scissors. So first, we are going to grab some of the sage. As you bundle these, try to keep the sticks toward the bottom so that we can trim those off later. And then depending on the length of the branches, you can make this however tall or long that you would like. And you can slip in smaller pieces or individual leaves where possible to try to use the most of your sage. And you want to get rid of any sticks that don't have many leaves on them. And try to keep your sage facing the same direction. Alright, up to you on how thick the diameter is of this. That is a pretty good size for this. Alright, so once you've got your bundle, I am going to take some of the cotton thread and I'm going to double it. And this is going to be about arm's length or so. Alright, if I take a quick measurement, this is about 32 inches doubled. Even out your thread ends. And then I need another piece of thread for the initial bundling. However much you need to get around the entire bundle. Alright, so first, keep in mind that we are trimming off the stems, so try to start the bundle. Try to start your initial tie around where the leaves are starting. And tie it as tightly as you can. And I'm just going to make a normal knot for this. Alright, trim off your excess ends. And with our other piece I'm going to just hook it into like the center of these sticks or so and try to pull it up toward this bottom loop. And what we're going to do is we're going to tie these around and make an X as we go around the whole stem. So I'm going to actually keep one piece of the string to wrap around initially. And as I do this, I just try to tighten and stick in any of the leaves. And I'm keeping my string as I wrap it about an inch or so away from the last loop. And again, bundling this as tight as you can. Alright, so I've got one round loop. And now I'm just going to take the other side and around so it crosses the other loop. And then once you get to the end, you can just tie it off. With a regular knot. And up to you on if you want to get rid of these end leaves and make it more of a straight end. You can do that. And then on the ends, we're just going to carefully trim off the stems. And any leaves sticking out, you can try to tuck them or just trim them off. All right, so before you actually smolder or burn this stick, you're going to want to wait for it to completely dry. And now I'm going to go through the same process with this dried lavender. Unfortunately, when you are working with dried plants, you're going to have a lot more waste. It's going to be a little bit rougher on trying to work with it too. And now we just cross. Stems. You might want to use pruning shears for this, especially if they are dry. All right, there we go. So we have our lavender and our sage. Thanks for sharing your time with me today. If this video helped you out, please like the video and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below if you would like to see me make anything else. So until next time, take care and peace out.